camera. Pass me that.
You can do that one.
What is that? Feed the Kitty game.
Yeah, Megan.
Wow, that's a game that we can play. Pumpkin, can you say thank you to Aunt Christine, Uncle Eric, and your cousins?
Thank you, everybody.
Very nice.
Feed the kitty.
You want to do the blue one? There's another pretty blue one from Aunt Christine and.
All right, well, let's play that game after brunch, Megan.
This one?
Yep, that's from Aunt Christine, Uncle Eric, and all your cousins. Yeah, very pretty paper, huh? It's got the baby Jesus on it. You see that? The manger? Wow, that's a book. What book is that? We'll have to read that later, Pumpkin. Wow. We'll be able to read it. What are on all the pages? Okay.
Some of the pages are white.
It's okay. Say thank you. Okay. Let's.
I'm not sure if I like this.
Well, we'll read it later and we'll find out what the story is. I know you're very particular about your stories. We'll read it later, okay? Kind of like, remember the chameleon one? And you didn't think you'd like it at first, and that was a very good one. Okay?
Edit that video.
Okay, see that other blue one?
Pretty ribbon. Who's this from?
That's from Uncle Eric and Aunt Christine and your cousins.
There you go. It's ripping.
Ooh, what is it?
I don't know.
Oh, pretty. Wow, I like those dots.
Hey, Mommy.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Oh, and little leggings to match. Say thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
How about a Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone. We'll open our Adokus later.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.